welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a rainy day vlog. It has been raining a lot. The forecast on my weather says that it was supposed to start raining yesterday, which it did, and it was going from Saturday to today, which is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, skip Thursday, we don't care about her, and then Friday. As of now, it says that the rain is supposed to stop today around now. But I've just been doing cozy weekend activities. I've played some games on my PC. Have I read today? Or did I read yet? I don't think I've read today, but I'm planning on reading today. I have my book right here. I've also been watching YouTube videos. That's what I've been doing as well. I am planning on finishing my Lego Botanicals, but the book that I am reading is called Revenge. It's by Yoko Ogawa. This book is a compilation of short stories. It includes about 11 short stories. I'm on page 97, which is short story, I want to say 8. So I have a couple more to go, and then it ends on page 162. I do love the genre of short story where they're all interconnected. I don't know if that's a normal thing with short stories. I don't normally read short stories. I am a sucker for fate. I love anything fate related, anything like you were meant to run into this person at this time in your life. They were meant to help you with this and you were going to help them with that. And I just think fate is a beautiful thing. Good vibes are not what this story is about. It's called Revenge for a reason. Maybe I'll have a slightly different view when I'm done, but we'll see. I'm currently on the short story, The Man Who Sold Braces. I don't know what that will be about, but I'm intrigued.